Hello children, this is Sachi teacher again. Children, today we will discuss more about the chapter Life of Men through the Stone Age. We have already learned about the Paleolithic age. We have discussed that the Paleolithic men used to live as a hunter-gatherer, led a nomadic life, started making tools and weapons from stones. We have discussed about Mesolithic age. The early men started doing agriculture and started domesticating different animals. Today we will discuss about the Neolithic age. In the Neolithic age, the Neolithic man made further progress in agriculture. Gradually, he learned to identify different types of seeds and sow them. Initially, he depended on rainfall to water his plants. But later on, he began to irrigate the crops with water from nearby rivers and lakes. The early man grew grains like corn, wheat and millet. He used improved axes for clearing forest for agriculture. Sticks were used for digging the soil to sow seeds and the sickle to harvest crops. In India, the remains of wheat and lentils belonging to the Neolithic age have been found at Chirand and of horse gram of terracotta, that is in Karnataka. Now we will discuss about the invention of wheel. Wheel was discovered in the Neolithic age. The invention of the wheel changed the life of the early man forever. He began to use it for spinning cotton and wool, weaving cloth and in pot making. Pot making, see, you can see in the picture. Children, the adoption of agriculture and rearing of animals left man with surplus grains, milk, etc. He needed some things to store them, so he made the art of making mud pots and vessels from clay. He either dried these pots in the sun or baked them in fire. He also started using mud pots for cooking food. The invention of wheel gave him the potter's wheel. He started making pots of different sizes and shapes. Now we will talk about the social life of the Neolithic men. The Neolithic men started living in a community and formed villages. These villages were small groups of huts made of mud walls and thatched roofs. A village was generally surrounded by a mud wall or a thick hedge to defend it from wild beasts. Now about beginning of trade. See children, they started what? Trading also. How and why? The surplus food in the form of grains, milk and livestock also led to the start of trade. However, the early men did not sell the surplus food in exchange for cash because there was no money at that time. They were not aware of today's currencies. So what they used to do? Instead, he exchanged food, milk or livestock for the things he needed. This is called barter trade. Now about the religious beliefs. The Neolithic man was fascinated as well as frightened by natural phenomena such as lightning, earthquakes and thunder. Unable to understand these phenomena, he started worshipping them. That means what? They used to worship the nature. He also worshipped the sun, earth, moon, sky, water, fire and trees. He sometimes offered sacrifices and amid hymns during worship. Early men did not understand death. He believed that death was a long sleep or a journey into another world. So, food, clothes, tools, weapons, etc. were placed along with the dead at the place of burial. The following table lists major differences between the lifestyles of the early men during the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. Children, you will go through the table which is given in page number 15 of chapter 2 of this chapter. Now we will deal with Chalcolithic age. We will discuss about this is what this age is also known as the age of metals. Why? And which was the first metal discovered? Copper. Okay. So, when the Neolithic age was continuing, another great change happened in the life of man following the discovery of metals. In fact, it gave birth to the age of metals. Copper was the first metal to be discovered by man. With the discovery of copper, men entered the Chalcolithic age or the Copper Stone age. The word Chalcolithic is made of Greek words chalkos meaning copper and lithos meaning stone. In India, Chalcolithic tools have been excavated from the Gangetic Basin and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now we will discuss about the Bronze Age. When the men of the Chalcolithic age succeeded in making bronze, he entered the Bronze Age. That is in between 3000 BCE to 2000 BCE. The Bronze Age is believed to have started in areas that lie in present-day Turkey, Iran and Iraq. In these areas also emerged early human civilizations. In the Bronze Age, man was able to make more durable tools, vessels and weapons. This is all for today, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.